Hello guys, we're playing Pokemon and I don't know what else to play, so you gotta live with it. Okay? And the reason why it sounds off in here is because in my bathroom recording, sometimes I live in my room and I usually record anyways. Let's start. Begin. Wait, what? I already finished it. Alright, roll the bell. What are we doing? Am I getting it? Am I... like a blade. Those blade. Oh my god. I spin my head round. Oh my god. What the? I spin my head round. Let me go down. I spin my head round. Let me go down. Let me go. Why is it going down? Go back up. Go back up. Go back up. Up. Go back up, please. I don't want to. Go back up. Why am I had to get out because I had to start the game. But anyways.
Don't worry. They are all there.
My best. Try my best. Anyway, let's do this. But oh my god, I hate this. But I'm god at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the most complicated over? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Bell pepper. I hate bell pepper so much. 1, 2, 3, 4. You think I won't remember that? You think I won't remember that? And then pepperoni. I love pepperoni, but why is it big? Why is the pepperoni big? Alright, stylish, finished. I know, I deserve these flowers. I know I'm better than you. It's all finished. You just keep like cook it in the wood oven. Oh my god, I suck at this. I don't know what this means. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that's what it means. Why are we cooking 3 pizzas actually? Wait, too soon? It's not my fault. No. Alright, now for the 3rd pizza. Right? Let's go. Alright, I played this game many times, so Mama, I know I'm better than you. I've played this game better than you. Pizza, your recipe stock is ready. I don't want to do recipes, I want to cook. Anyways, look at the pizza. Just tell me, yeah, you don't want to eat it. But if I eat it, I'll probably take the purpose and the onions off. Anyways, please skip to a certain part and just listen to other. You can find lots of happy food, so go away and get cooking. No. I'm gonna try a new recipe. Egg tart. I don't know what that is. Just like a, is it an egg flavored Pop-Tart? That's because that would sound disgusting. Separate the yolk. Do they actually do this in Chef? I'm just asking, do they actually do this? It's like we're playing hot potato but with an egg yolk. Oh no, that fell. Alright. Do people actually do this? Why can't you just crack the egg in?
Wow! Even better than Mama!
Next, this. Okay. Tell me carefully. No. Oh god. Oh. A hint, never place anything when it's at the full speed. Or the yellow speed. Or the medium speed or whatever you can call it. These white flour. I think I'm making a cake. What is that? Vanilla extract. Or just like an egg Pop-Tart. Don't add that in. Nothing red soft concepts. Anyways, I'm gonna put the phone on the food.
Wow! Even
I know that I'm better than you, Mama. I know. Please let me go. Anyways. Oh no. No, help me. Just 5? No, 4. Help me. What? No. I feel like a criminal. What? Do it somewhere else. Finished.
Wow!
I
even better.
failed the recipe like 5 times and it's taking me 2-star. Shape it with the mold. That wasn't even him, but okay. Make a flower bowl or dough bowl. Yeah, they're dough bowls.
Wow!
I'm
even
always
better
getting the
than
3-star. Next, this. Pour it. Be careful and try not to spill it. Okay. Alright. Bring it quickly. I'm not good at pouring, especially when I'm high.
Wow! Even better.
It's 9 o'clock and I want to go to sleep, but I decided to record right now. It's all finished. Go. Alright. Put them in. Alright. And stop. Oh yay, the egg bowls are good done, and the dough bowls, or whatever you want to call them.
Wow!
I know,
even
I'm
better
always
than
better than
Mama.
you, Mama. Egg tart, that's were just, again, I just thought they were egg Pop-Tarts. Anyways. Why? Ads like this get so much money than the actual game itself. Why? This is the dumbest ad ever existed. It's technically Candy Crush without the candy. Candy Crush now, more like King Crush. I swear, why do I exist? I do not want to play the royal match. Even if I was royal, I would not match with anybody. Finally, new mode. No. I want to stay my same way. Anyways, happy foods. No. Salisbury steak. I'll do that. Can you do a good job? Yeah, I can definitely do a good job. Cut the ingredients, okay? I'm god at this part. I feel uncomfortable when you do that. Cut. I'm so glad I'm not crying right now. Cut. Alright, we're cutting it. I don't know how old we are, but depending on our fingers, we look like we're like 5. Yay! Finished.
Wow!
Wow, even better than Mama. Next, this. Stir fry it, okay. Zing. Is this what actual fork is? Do they do this with a spatula, a fork, or a spoon, or just with bare hands? Because that thing's gonna be a full heat.
Wow!
Wow, even better than Mama. Next, this. Try to do it perfectly. I'm not gonna do it. I don't know why I'm traumatized. That feels so traumatized. That feels so violent. It feels absolutely so violent. Wow, even better than Mama. Next, this. Need it. Watch your timing. I will not. Go, go, go this way. This way. Up. Uh-oh. This is like Friday Night Funkin', but then I never play that anymore. I used to play it, but now I don't. I don't even used to play it. I just used to watch it, and I used to be obsessed with it.
Even better.
I don't want it anymore. Next is Shape It. Watch your timing. Do people actually do this? Like chefs? It's like we're making a burger. We're making a burger.
Wow.
Get up, Poochies. We're making a burger. It's almost finished. Okay. This is probably the easiest part. Except for the flipping. Down. No, I told you the flipping was hard. It wasn't that hard, but flipping's kind of hard. Go. Flip. How is that perfect? How did it not like fall off from being so heavy? I don't know, like land on the edge of the pan and then just fall off immediately. Well, he's defying the laws of physics. Finish! Wow.
Wow.
Accent
Even
as
better.
mom I have, because I'm worried. Salisbury steak. Yay! I get happy foods. Happy foods. I love happy foods. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.